When people think about microneedles, the first thing that often comes to mind is painless drug delivery. These tiny structures, usually measuring only a few hundred micrometers in length, can penetrate the outermost layer of the skin without reaching deeper nerves, making drug administration more comfortable while improving patient compliance. However, behind every high-quality microneedle patch lies a sophisticated manufacturing process. The performance of a microneedle depends not only on its material or design, but also on the precision of the equipment used to produce it. Modern microneedle manufacturing has become a multidisciplinary field that combines precision engineering, materials science, microfabrication, automation, and quality control. So, how are microneedles actually manufactured, and what types of equipment make large-scale production possible? Everything begins with digital design. Before any physical product is created, engineers use computer-aided design software to determine the geometry of each microneedle. Parameters such as needle height, base diameter, tip angle, spacing, and array density are carefully optimized according to the intended application. A vaccine patch, for example, may require a different needle design than a cosmetic treatment or a sustained-release drug delivery system. Once the digital model is finalized, the next step is fabricating the master mold. This is one of the most critical stages because the mold determines the final dimensions and surface quality of every microneedle that follows. Depending on the design requirements, manufacturers may choose several different fabrication technologies. High-resolution 3D printing offers excellent flexibility for rapid prototyping and design verification. Laser micromachining can produce extremely sharp needle structures with outstanding precision. For applications requiring mass production and exceptional dimensional consistency, micromilling, photolithography, electroforming, or precision CNC machining are often employed. Modern manufacturing equipment enables dimensional tolerances measured in only a few micrometers, ensuring that every needle within an array performs consistently. After the master mold has been created, production moves into mold replication. Rather than repeatedly machining expensive metal molds, manufacturers typically generate multiple working molds using materials such as silicone or other elastomeric polymers. This approach dramatically reduces production costs while maintaining high replication accuracy. Automated mold casting systems carefully control temperature, pressure, curing time, and material viscosity to minimize deformation and ensure repeatability. The next stage is filling the molds with microneedle materials. Different products require different materials. Dissolving microneedles often utilize biocompatible polymers, sugars, or biodegradable materials. Hydrogel microneedles require specialized cross-linkable formulations. Solid microneedles may be manufactured from metals, ceramics, or engineering polymers, while coated microneedles involve additional surface modification processes. Accurately filling microscopic cavities presents a significant engineering challenge. Air bubbles, incomplete filling, or inconsistent material distribution can all affect product performance. To overcome these issues, modern manufacturing systems incorporate vacuum-assisted filling equipment. By removing trapped air before dispensing materials, vacuum systems enable the formulation to completely occupy even the sharpest needle tips. Some advanced production lines further integrate centrifugal filling systems that use controlled centrifugal force to improve material distribution throughout the mold. Precision dispensing equipment also plays an important role. Automated dispensers deliver highly controlled volumes of formulation, reducing waste while improving batch-to-batch consistency. Once filling is complete, the materials must solidify. Different formulations require different curing technologies. Thermal curing systems carefully regulate temperature profiles for polymer solidification. UV curing equipment rapidly cross-links photosensitive materials. Freeze-drying systems remove water from dissolving formulations while preserving sensitive biological molecules such as proteins or vaccines. Environmental control chambers maintain stable humidity and temperature throughout the entire curing process, ensuring reproducible product quality. After curing, Demolding becomes another key manufacturing step. Although microneedles appear mechanically simple, each needle possesses an extremely sharp tip that can easily be damaged during removal. Manual demolding is labor-intensive and often leads to defects. Today's automated demolding equipment applies carefully controlled mechanical force, vacuum assistance, or robotic handling to separate finished microneedle arrays from their molds with minimal damage. Machine vision systems continuously monitor product integrity throughout this operation. Inspection is another area where manufacturing equipment has advanced dramatically. Traditional visual inspection is no longer sufficient for high-volume production. Instead, manufacturers increasingly employ automated optical inspection systems equipped with high-resolution cameras and artificial intelligence algorithms. These systems can rapidly evaluate needle height, tip sharpness, array alignment, missing needles, surface defects, and dimensional uniformity across thousands of products every hour. For even greater precision, laser scanning microscopes, confocal imaging systems, and optical profilometers generate three-dimensional measurements of the entire microneedle array. These instruments provide quantitative data that support process optimization and regulatory documentation. Mechanical testing equipment is equally important. Universal testing machines measure fracture force and compression strength to ensure that each microneedle can penetrate skin without breaking. Penetration testing systems evaluate insertion performance using artificial skin models or standardized substrates. Texture analyzers help characterize insertion force, recovery behavior, and mechanical durability. Drug-loaded microneedles require additional analytical equipment. Researchers frequently use high-performance liquid chromatography to quantify drug loading, while spectroscopic techniques verify chemical stability after manufacturing. Dissolution testing systems evaluate release kinetics, and environmental stability chambers simulate long-term storage under different temperature and humidity conditions. As production scales from laboratory research to commercial manufacturing, automation becomes increasingly important. Modern production lines integrate robotic arms, conveyor systems, automated dispensing, curing, inspection, packaging, and data collection into a continuous manufacturing workflow. Many facilities now adopt Industry 4.0 technologies, allowing sensors throughout the production line to collect real-time process data. Manufacturing execution systems analyze this information continuously, enabling predictive maintenance, automatic quality adjustments, and complete production traceability. Artificial intelligence is also beginning to transform microneedle manufacturing. Machine learning algorithms can detect subtle process variations before defects occur, optimize manufacturing parameters automatically, and improve production efficiency over time. Looking ahead, the future of microneedle manufacturing will be defined by higher precision, smarter automation, and greater scalability. Emerging technologies such as digital twins, intelligent robotics, closed-loop process control, and fully automated quality inspection are expected to further reduce production costs while improving product consistency. Although microneedles themselves are almost invisible to the naked eye, the equipment used to manufacture them represents some of the most advanced precision engineering available today. Every successful microneedle patch is the result of sophisticated design software, high-precision fabrication systems, intelligent automation, and rigorous quality control working together seamlessly. As demand continues to grow in pharmaceuticals, vaccines, cosmetics, and regenerative medicine, advanced manufacturing equipment will remain the foundation that enables safe, reliable, and large-scale microneedle production. In many ways, the future of microneedle technology depends not only on better materials or better designs, but on smarter manufacturing systems capable of producing millions of perfectly formed microneedles with remarkable consistency.